Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to find favorites video in TikTok in 2024. This method works on iPhone 15. So please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first you need to go to TikTok. After that you need to find any video and put your like here. After that, go to profile, and here we need to click on one little icon. Here, click here, and now you can find this video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.